This is JD with Stollwerck Plumbing. We're at 2909 Cedar Ave in Everett, Washington. We are performing a side sewer inspection. What you are looking at currently now is the sewer main on Cedar, and we're going to pull back from this point and make small annotations where necessary. You will see there's quite a few areas that have some high rip penetration, as well as feces. Right here, it's just the camera going vertical, and you can see a lot of feces, etc., on the side of the wall. Completely normal, nothing wrong with that. There's small bellies you can see right in front of the camera head here. Nothing significant. We didn't have any solids that were cut up here when we went in. Right here we have a transition. Right here we have a transition back to concrete. You can see the joint right where the camera head is, the water that's kind of moving around there on the bottom. A little bit of separation. This is one of the points when we initially entered the sewer line that there was some buildup. As you can see here, the top left, the right hand side, that's root penetration. Okay. It looks like this has been, somebody attempted to clean it at one point. Again, we have more penetration here. These old concrete sections are 3-foot sections, so it's pretty common to see root every 3 feet if there are penetrations in the sewer. Heavy infestation here. Combined with the belly, that's why our camera's kind of going underneath water here a little bit. Got some toilet paper there, etc. We are going to go underwater here just for a little bit. Once again, it's a belly, which just means the pipe has either degraded or changed its slope. Now we're back out of the belly here a little bit. Back into PVC pipe. And that concludes our inspection of the side sewer here, 2909 Cedar.
2029.
2029.
Walnut.
Somewhere in Walnut or Cedar, somewhere around here. Thank you.
One of those trees.
Yep.